Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution Tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to import shapefile into ArcGIS Pro using Python windows, that is ArcPython. So let's get started. To import a shapefile into ArcGIS Pro using Python windows, the first thing we are going to do is to create a blank map. To do that, I'll click on map. Then I can give it a name. Let me call it ArcPython shapefile. Then I'll specify where I want to save this very new project. So I'll come here. I want to save it in this ArcPython tutorial folder. So I'll click to select it and click on OK. So I've specified the name of the project and the location I want to save it. So check create a folder for this local project and click on OK. Yes, here is the interface of our new project. Now to bring in shapefile using Python windows in ArcGIS Pro, we will need to first set the environment. And one of the environments we are going to set is to enable the catalog. And to do that, we are going to click on view. Then here is the icon for catalog to show the catalog. When I click on it, the catalog will display here, and the essence of it is to be able to use it to navigate to our working folder or to connect to folder. Then the second thing we are going to do is to enable the Python windows. And to enable the Python windows, come to analysis. Under analysis, you will see Python here. So click on the drop down and you can see Python window. So click on it to open or enable the Python window. And here is the Python window, which consists of two partitions. The upper one is the transcript, while the lower one is where you write your code or functions. So our assignment proper is to be able to bring in shapefile into ArcGIS Pro using Python windows. So to do that, the next thing we are going to do, come to this catalog, and here you can connect directly to your folder, or you can come under computer. When you come under computer, from here you can navigate to your folder. Let me quickly show you something. In my folder, I have these shapefiles in my folder that are already in that folder. So I want to load them into ArcGIS Pro using the Python windows. So let's go back. So the first thing we are going to do is to open this very catalog. Then navigate to that folder. Remember, I'm under computer, and if you have made your folder as your favorite, it will be under your favorite. So I'll click here to expand this folder, and here is the folder where I have my shapefiles. If I click to expand it, I can see various shapefiles here. I have the Nigeria boundary, I have the Nigeria major river, and Nigeria settlements. I have about 3 shapefiles here. Now to load your shapefile into ArcGIS Pro using the Python windows, so you are going to come to this very section below here, and you are going to search for the tool. So you are going to search for ArcPy.copy. So once you are typing it, it will bring all the tool or functions related to that very copy feature. Now the one we are interested in is this copy feature management. This copy feature management, click on it, it will automatically enter it here. Now what to do, come back to catalog. Since you've opened the folder where your shapefiles are, now for example, I want to bring in the boundary of Nigeria into ArcGIS Pro using the Python window. So what I will do, I will click and drag this very shapefile into this bracket in these functions. So to do that, just click and drag and put it inside this bracket. So once you leave it, it has captured it. Then put comma and open double quotes. Then write the name you want the layer to be displayed here. So for example, I want to name it Nigeria. I'll just type Nigeria here, such that when it loads it in, Nigeria will be displayed as layer name in the table of contents. So after you have entered this function, bring your cursor at the end of the bracket and press your enter key. So in few seconds it will be loaded. Yes, you can see it here. The Python Windows has loaded this polygon, that is the shapefile, into my map. Now let's assume I want to load another feature. Let's say this time around a line or linear feature. So what I'll do, I'll still come back to this very space and then I'll type ArcPy.copy. So it will bring all these functions. The one we are interested in is copy feature management. So I'll click on it, it will capture the functions. Now I'll come back to my catalog. Then for example, I want to bring in this river. So just the same process, I will click and drag that shapefile into this very bracket and leave it. Then I'll put comma and then double quotes. Then this very layer, I want it to be named as river. So I will type river here. So after that, put your cursor at the end of the brackets and hit the enter key on your keyboard. So it will load this very layer on my map and name it accordingly, as I name it here as river. Yes, you can see it here. It has brought it in. So let's now assume I want to bring in points. So the same process, come back here and search for ArcPy.copy. So click on this copy feature management. Then come back to your catalog. And then we are bringing in this Nigeria settlement. So what to do is to click and drag it and put it in the brackets. Then put comma and enter double quotes. Then give it a specific name. Let's call this settlement. Then put your cursor at the end of the bracket and hit the enter key. So in the same manner, you can see it has loaded all those point features called settlements into my map. So this is how easy it is to load shapefile into ArcGIS Pro using the Python Windows. If you have any questions or any comments, let's know in the comment section. And if you have a specific video you want us to do, kindly let us know in the comment section. We will do the video for you. Thank you for watching.